Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create those quality deepfake videos. And as you can see right now, I'm currently on this website called Akul, and this is gonna be the link, faceswap.akul.com. Make sure this is the website, or this is the landing page you're seeing also on your end. So to get started right here, I have 4 steps for you guys. Step 1 is gonna be logging in or creating an account. Step 2 is face swapping a photo. Step 3 is face swapping a video. And lastly, using the beautification process. That being said, let's go to step 1. Click on this button right here that says login. Top right section. Now you'll have this option. As you can see, I already have logged in properly earlier. I've used my dummy Google account. Simply choose it for you guys. If you want to use your Gmail also, not a problem. By the way, quick reminder, if you're using this and you're watching this on your MacBook or any iOS devices, please stay on the video because the process is literally the same. That being said, this is going to be the new landing page with my account login, and just simply choose a file. Now here's the thing, I got also confused when I first tried this out. So the file you're going to upload here is the one you're going to change to phase 2. Let's try it out. So I'm going to choose file right there. Again, choose that girl over there. Now, while Akul is analyzing this one, after analyzation, it will take you to the editing platform, which is going to be this one. Now, this is the photo I uploaded earlier, and as you can see, it's the one we're changing face. So, quick reminder, if this is not the one you want to change face with, for example, you want to use this face and add it to a different photo, do not upload it earlier. Instead, if you want to use this face to a different photo, you should click it over here and choose a face, and that's the one you should upload. Okay? So that being said, let's continue here. As you can see, you can choose demo photos, but I'm gonna use a photo that I got for myself over here. A simple woman with a dark skin tone. Now, while waiting for it to upload, it should be this one right here. As you can see, I already have 2 material right here, and let's try it out. Now I've selected that one, click high quality face swap, and wait for it to finish generating. Now as you can see right there, if you click the results page over here, you'll see that our process is still on the go. Now once done doing that, click download button over here, and we can check out the final results. Click open. Now I just want to click it side by side for comparison, the original photo that I have earlier. As you can see right now, this is the before one, a little girl. When I use Akul, it has that watermark, and you can really say that it's nearly perfect. It's like it's the same photo but just different people. Same clothes, same hair, same environment, right? Anyway, that is really good. And as you can see earlier, I have 50 credits here. That means I only have 46 credit left. Per face swap is 4 credits, which is actually a good deal. Now let's go back from earlier and try another end. Now we already tried a photo, right? Now let's try uploading a video. Choose a file, choose a video. Let me just look for my video I got from the internet. It should be this one right here. Let me just check. Perfect. Now while waiting for it to upload or properly added to the material on the editing platform, it will take around a minute or 2 because this is a video. Anyways, it's done. It didn't take that long because I think not a lot is using Akul right now. Anyway, this is my stock video. And as you can see right there, it is divided into frames. This is a new feature on Akul. Before it's only 1 frame and just edit everything. So each frame you can choose a specific face. So for example, let's just use my one earlier, the one I even put everything and click on high quality face swap. Now I'm sure for this one, from 46 I only have 16 now. That took a lot. That's 30 credits in total. That means for video there are 30 credits, and for photo are 4 credits only. Now let's check for the results. As you can see, it's still swapping, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. Our video has just been finished generating. Let's check it out. Click on download right there to the video to get to your computer. Click open file, and let's view the video all together. And as you can see right there, let me just minimize it so we can check it all together at the same time. Click on it right there. Let me just minimize and pull up the video for comparison I have from earlier. Click it right here. Just pause it, minimize it, and then pull up the other video from earlier. This one right here. I just want to show you the comparison I have. So technically I cannot really play the same time because of my MIDI player, but as you can see, the difference is literally there. This girl over here is the different one for the original video. Anyway, those are the two processes, the photo and the video. Now let's go back for the last one, the beautification process. Simply choose a file right here to edit. And then for example, just for discussion purposes, I'm going to choose this specific photo. I'll just wait for it to finish until it goes to the editing platform. And there you go. Now, the beautification process is fairly simple. Same process, only an additional step. For example, right there, simply click on this one again. Make sure you click on face and hands. That's all the process right there. That's all the beautification process right there. Face and hands. Click on high quality face swap right here. Go to the results. Let me just pull up the photo I got from earlier, the one we did. This one right here for comparison. So this is the one we got earlier, right? With no beautification. Now let's just pull up the one right now we made after verification process. And let's see the results. So as you can see right now, there is a very noticeable difference from the one with beautification versus the one with no beautification. It's much more lighter, it's much more appealing. Anyway, that's how you use it. That's how you create deepfake videos in quality AI. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.